Now this G-Wagon has got a feature for park assist. This is now the one that assists you in parking the vehicle. You've got two options. It's either you park it, use it for side parking, or you use it for reverse parking or even forward parking in a parking lot. Right, so to activate the park system, you click on the button and then it takes you to the screen. I must say that you just need to follow the vehicle prompts. It's quite user-friendly and it will guide you appropriately. Like here it says drive forwards to search for parking space. So at the moment it's scanning for a parking spot. Then when it picks it up, it will give a beep and it will signal where to be able to park. So as you can see there, it tells you stop the vehicle, choose a parking space. Okay. All right. And then it will ask you, do you want to do forward or you want to do reverse parking? In this case, let's go reverse. All right. And then it will ask you, please engage the reverse gear, then go into reverse gear, and then you allow the vehicle to park itself. It will change gears, select gears for itself, and just maneuver itself. Obviously, because of how tight the space is, it will just take a couple of turns. And then it is done. In an instance where you park the car using the park assist system, you will have that option to drive out, and it will ask you if you want to use the same functionality. In this case, it's asking me if I want to maybe move in the left or right direction. I will choose the right and then confirm. And then from there, it will take over. And when it's done maneuvering, it will ask you to take over.